We continue to get new information on the coronavirus outbreak. Let's take a look at three of this morning's freshest headlines.
Overnight, we learned that one of the biggest tennis tournaments in the world has been postponed. Indian Wells in Southern California is being called off. The tournament was set to start on Wednesday.
A cruise ship that's been stranded at sea for days is expected to dock today in Oakland. 21 people aboard the Grand Princess have the coronavirus. All of the passengers will be under quarantine for 2 weeks.
Meanwhile, oil giant Saudi Aramco stopped trading early this morning when shares dropped 10% as the market opened. Over in Asia, stocks have plummeted due to the nosedive that we're experiencing in global oil prices. And at least 24 people have died in the U.S. from the coronavirus, and there are more than 500 cases confirmed across the nation.
We have our first confirmed case in Connecticut, and lawmakers warn more could be on the way. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Eva Zamaris joins us. She's live at Bristol Health. And Eva, what's happening there later today?
Good morning to you both. Governor Ned Lamont is actually going to be speaking here a little later on today, along with fellow lawmakers and health officials. They're going to be talking about the state's response and share what you need to know. As coronavirus cases were being reported around the world, many wondered when the virus would impact us here in Connecticut. State officials confirm a patient from Wilton has been diagnosed. We know that person is between the ages of 40 and 50, and officials believe the infection happened during a trip to California. They're currently at Danbury Hospital. Also in quarantine are 7 Trinity College students after possible exposure to the coronavirus off campus and out of the area. The college says these students aren't showing symptoms. Lawmakers are now pushing for more testing to be done.
Connecticut's likely to be a hotspot, a source of soaring numbers, in part because the federal government has delayed in lagging and lacking efforts to provide the tests that are needed to know the reality of facts on the ground, how many people have been infected.
We know there's one test kit which can test up to 600 people. The good news is that we should get at least one more kit this week, and private testing will also begin. And Governor Lamont is going to be speaking here a little later on this morning at 10:30, and coming up in our next half hour, a much closer look at 2 other cases hitting very close to home here in Connecticut. Live in Bristol this morning, I'm Eva Zamaris, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.